Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to our channel. So recently I've been wanting to embark on a new project, but I didn't know where to start. So I asked the big brain himself, and now I'm going to teach you how to engrave your very own laptop. Let's go. First, we will get our design ready. Walker taught me how to do it in Inkscape, and then we did it in Illustrator as well. I took a picture of my laptop and then put it into the design software. I also grabbed a design that I wanted to engrave onto the laptop. And then we finally brought in the Apple logo and scaled it to size. It's important to note that everything was scaled to size because we took measurements of the laptop itself. We dragged the Apple on top of the laptop and then we did an offset. This Apple file is saved on our free projects page if you want to save yourself some time. Now drag your Apple file on top of the laptop and remove it from your design. This is very important because you do not want to engrave the logo on the laptop. Now we're going to bring our design into RE3. We're going to visually turn off our raster layer. Now we're going to our vector layer and adjust our passes to 20. This will give us enough time to line up our laptop to the engraving. It is very important to keep your lid up to disengage the lid sensor. Then we can run the vector job to manually line up your file. With the lid open, you can watch the laser trace the vector but not actually fire the laser. Now we're ready to engrave the laptop.
Whoa, hold up, hold your horses 1 second. Before you do your engraving, remember to always double check your work. You don't want to ruin this thing, you got one shot. So check your vector like Ryan showed you how, and make sure your engraving is larger than the laptop and you'll be good. And if you have a Muse 3D, remember you can take a picture. Depending on what generation you are, you can take a picture and get it in your Muse 3D. Just make sure to line it up and then double check it as well with this same process.
Our power settings were 100 speed, 80 power, and 250 DPI. Don't worry about too much power, as CO2 lasers don't affect metal. One thing we didn't notice is that the laptop sits at an angle, so the engraving didn't come out perfect. But no problem. We didn't move the laptop, we refocused, and we reran the job. Okay guys, so we're back in the laser lab, and this is my finished laptop. It turned out so stinking cute, really cute and funky fresh. I have never been so excited, and I'm pretty proud of the work I've done for my second project. I learned a lot. Hopefully you guys learned a lot with me, and until next time, keep making.